begin your energizing guided meditation by taking 3 deep breaths. Breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. I want you to see yourself now as the person that you would like to be. What kind of person would you love to be? What kind of life would you love to have? In this life, we can be anything we want. Who and what would you like to be? What would you love to look like? What would you love to look like? I want you to see it in your mind's eye clearly, as clear as possible. What are you wearing? What do you look like? What does your hair look like? What does your skin look like? What does your body look like? Can you see it all? What would you love to get paid to do? What would you love to get paid to do every day? What would you love to be doing and be getting paid very well to do it? What kind of relationships would you love to have with your family, with your friends, with your coworkers, with your significant other? How would you love to feel? The reason I'm asking you to imagine how you'd love to feel is because the way you feel will determine your entire life. You cannot and you will not be your greatest version if you don't feel good. If you're not energetic, you will not have the energy that it's going to take to turn your dreams into reality. To live an amazing life, we need to feel amazing. And to live a life full of abundance, we need to have an abundance of energy. To feel fulfilled, happy, and productive, we need energy. We need energy to do the things that make us feel fulfilled, happy, and productive. The fastest and most effective ways to increase our energy: 1, reprogramming our subconscious, exercising daily, and eating an abundance of fruit and vegetables. Okay, so let's focus on 1 here. Repeat after me. I am in the process of becoming exactly who I want to be. I am in the process of becoming exactly who I want to be. I love taking really good care of my precious temple. I love taking really good care of my precious temple. I am in the process of increasing my energy level. I am in the process of increasing my energy level. I am feeling better and better every single day. I am feeling better and better every single day. I am in the process of doing small, simple things that make me feel energized. This includes taking deep breaths throughout the day, doing EFT tapping, exercising, drinking more water, eating fruit for breakfast and throughout the day, and other things that I find that really energize me. These are all simple and easy things that I am doing, and these small daily habits are what is going to add up to a totally different life. I know that it's the small actions that I take every single day that is going to lead me to my dream life, my dream body, and increase my energy. The future is not a place that I'll go. It's a place that I'm creating with the actions I take every single day. Today, I am taking small steps to create the future that I want. I love myself deeply, and I love to take extremely good care of myself. Let's end this meditation by doing 3 deep breaths together. Breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. You are very rare and you are doing an amazing job. All you have to do now is stay consistent, and the results are inevitable. Have a beautiful day.